Today I'll teach you guys how to upload decals in Roblox. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to this website called create.roblox.com. That is the official website of Roblox creating page. Once you're in this page, what you want to do is log in into your account. Since I already logged in into my account, it directly took me to my account. From over here, click on where it says dashboard. It's going to take you to Roblox dashboard section. From this section, you can see this option called development items. Click on development items. From over here, you can see the decal section. Click on decal section. And over here, as you guys can see, in the past, I have already uploaded decals. So if I want to upload again, I can click on upload assets and click on upload. From over here, I need to choose an image for my decal. So I'm going to choose a random image, alright? So I'm going to go for this random image. After the image is uploaded, at the bottom where it says name, I can name it whatever I want. But I don't want to change it, so I will just leave it at that. And in description, you can enter whatever description you want. But you can leave it empty as well. The name section is actually compulsory, but the description, you can leave it empty. Click on upload, and a decal will be uploaded. So that's how you guys can upload decals in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.